Good evening, everybody. My name is Peter, and I'm a farmer, small farmer. My farm is called Matanda Farms, and I do some goat farming. And this is my maiden video on how you can do goat farming on zero grazing in your backyard. Yeah, this is a simple goat house, as you can see, with a garden at the back. As you can see, the design is very good. You have all the urine and the dung droppings underneath. You can see how my bananas look. They are few, but they look good because of the manure from the goats. As you can see, the dung goes through the timber and it drops underneath. You can see one is here. You can see some urine and the droppings they drop down and they come. You can see it is sloping. The ground is sloping, so all the urine comes all the way and is collected here and taken to the garden. I have my little goats here. I have some too. These are locals. And I have some 3 here, which are hybrids. I have a boar. That one is a boar hybrid. And this is a Savannah. And this is also Savannah. And you can see how I feed them. I just hang some fodder in the morning. And they feed on this till evening, till tomorrow. You can imagine just a few. There's some salt there. They can feed on this for 24 hours. Then tomorrow in the morning I bring some more. So this they'll feed on even throughout the night. And they feed like this every day. They don't get out. I only take them out to exercise maybe twice a week or 3 times a week. But you can see they are looking good. These are just about 8 months old. They are looking good. The advantage of this kind of zero grazing on the house is that you don't get parasites. They're always here and they eat and sleep, and that's all they do. So they grow so well. I hardly deworm, I hardly spray. So they're looking good. And this is the sick bay in case they are weak. I get from the farm and I bring, and they recover from here. So when they grow big and they conceive, I take them to the farm. So thank you very much. Hope you liked my video. If you liked it, please click on the subscribe button so that I can be able to give you more videos. This is just the first series that I want to bring to you. Very educational series on how to raise goats at home or on the farm. Yeah, thank you.